What's going on, guys? Philip here, and today I'm just going to show you what you have to do when switching a monitor for your PS3. So whether you're changing it from HD to SD, Scart, whatever, or to a PC monitor, you'll probably end up with a black screen, and it's really simple. All you have to do is simply go to your power button right here, hold it in, hear that first beep, hang on for a couple of seconds, you hear that second beep. And that's all that you have to do. So it kind of like resets the video, whatever. I'm not quite sure on what it actually does, but yeah, as you can see here, it says in Swedish, but yeah, it has found an HDMI unit. Would you like to use it? And then I'll just have to press yes on my PS3 controller, like that, and there you have it. So it's really simple, just one like here. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Just go ahead and hold in your power button, hear the first beep and then the second beep. So yeah, that's all. If you have any further questions or any other problem you need help with, just leave a comment or send me a message. I hope this video helped you out, and I wish you a fine day, and until next time, hasta luego!